Pozdrav sam ljudi, s vama je Fish3, danas igramo Resident Evil 7. Resident Evil 7 je po meni omiljena igrica, iako ja nisam igrao ozbiljno. Nikad je nisam igrao, bukvalno. Sad sam je skinuo, idemo na easy, pa ćemo onda na normal ako hoćete. Mada, s obzirom koliko je dugačka igrica, baš ne bi ni ja žao, ne vidimo.
Hey, baby!
Hey.
I just wanted to send a quick hello and I love you. Oh, good news! I'm gonna be coming home soon. Yay! Oh, I cannot wait to be done with this babysitting job and come home to my loving husband. I miss you. Oh, I gotta get back to work. I love you, Ethan. I miss you so much. I'm sending tons of kisses. Bye, baby.
Куда? Куда? Где? Что?
Ethan. You were right. I did lie to you. I shouldn't have. All I can say is that if you get this, stay away.
Где?
Hello?
Hey, it's Ethan.
Oh, hey. You alright? You just disappeared the other night.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good. It's Mia. She's not dead, she's alive. She's back.
They found her? How? What happened?
I don't know. Look, I don't know how, but she's back. She's back somehow. Maybe it's a prank. She wants me to come and get her.
Where is she?
Dulvey, Louisiana.
Dude, it's been 3 years.
I know, but what if it is her? I have to find out what happened.
What? Zašto ovoliko, bre? Ja ne mogu da verujem. Zašto? Bandi Kim je živo sranje, ali da budemo realni. Izaćeš iz škola, nećeš da izađeš iz škola, odluči se.
This is the place.
Okej, da, to je to. Dobro. Čekaj da je. Zašto bi ne... Ako si dan došao... Ne bi rekao ja, sinko. Čekaj. Ovo je. Dobro. Dalje. Ovamo sam vidio katanac. Ništa, kucu sam poruku drugu da snimam. Opa. Šta ja to vidim? Opa, bato, f. Silver got to sneak into Louisiana ghost house. Join us. This is her gift. What the fuck? Oh! Hey, my friend. Znaš kako, brate, nisi ninja je. Zašto? Evo ga, kriv. Hoće mi u driver license. Mislim, ne može da vozi školu unutar sigurno. A, ne. Ko tebi zatvori vrata, prijatelj? Što mi zatvori vrata iza sebe? Ja nikad ne zatvaram vrata. Jebo, zatvori vrata, bre, jao, bre!
Fuck!
Joj. Neka, mogu tek samo zamislim frižider. Ne. Ovo je moj brat igrao, to nisam ja igrao. Tab. Šta je ovo? Ovo da baci. Snimam sa podragom. Mislim sebe opa. Da tamo nekako da dođem. Shit. Stomak. Što se događa? Čujem vetar, to nikad nije dobra stvar. Ohoho! Let's go. A pa znam ovo samo jedino radi, šta je? Nancy Jarvis.
Who? Where did you find this guy?
Give me a break, Pete.
Hey, I only work with professionals. Speaking of which, make sure the sound is right this time. I don't want a repeat of Amarillo.
That was 2 fucking years ago.
I don't do ADR. This new guy? I'm not feeling it.
Šta bre?
Just don't be surprised if we have to make a change. New plan. We do a walkthrough of the inside first, then we shoot the intro.
Just like we always do. Just try to say the show's name this time, okay?
No problem. Tonight on Sewer Gators, another worthless fucking shithole. Happy?
Ecstatic.
Što govoriš za mene? Ovdje bre, znam ja put bre, ja sam ovdje bio.
Are we rolling? Alright, let's go.
Da, ajde. Što ti to bre?
Get out of the way.
Ja ću...
It's
A
live.
bre, pa nemoj u stomak brate, zašto tako? Amo zrikavi,
So, why are we in hell this time?
ti da vidim.
You ever prep? What's the prep? Shitty house, spooky sounds,
U,
booze,
koji ka...
haunted?
Jeste brate, zrikavi. Da.
Fuck me. I was an anchor, you know?
Weekend sub, Pete. Not anchor.
What's that?
Nothing.
What's the story, Andre?
No što da ima sad možda ono što novo.
Missing family.
Joj, zna se. Brate.
How long did you say this place has been abandoned?
3 years.
Clancy, get a shot of this. Let's make a great cutaway. So, Hillbilly Joe and his family go missing.
Not hillbillies, the Bakers. Jack and Marguerite Baker. And they were quiet, not backward. A lot of bad rumors about their son, Lucas. Bad seed, apparently.
Medicina, apparently.
Ah, shit! I know I should have worn my good shoes. Oh, shit. Glad I had my shots. Although, this would make a great backdrop. Andre, what do you
Andre.
think? Andre?
Andre?
Andre!
Idem da vidim gdje je.
Andre! Clancy, you see where I'm
On nije
going?
bilo otvoreno. Sve čekaj, zašto ja trčim bez njega?
Where is he? Unfucking believable. This is the last time I work with that guy. I mean, producers, they come and go, but a good cameraman like you, Clancy, you stick with me.
Ja kamerman dobar, a? Doma prasi me vređe, bre, nemoj ti mene lažeš. Ne mogu ni sad ni ovo vrata zato.
What the fuck was that? Did you hear that?
Da. Ajde otvorim vrat.
Andre?
Majte bre.
Where the fuck is he?
Te gurnem napred bre. Ajde bre.
Andre, where are you, man?
Gdje ćeš? Aaaa.
What the hell?
Či vidio sam ja nešto bre, poput toga, vidio sam linijicu.
Alright, new deal. We find Andre and we go. I mean, fuck this show.
Zašto bi prvo tražio Andreja? Ako bi mogao sebi da glavu da izvučeš. Mislim, znaš kako?
What do you see? What is it?
Opa! Znaš gdje je? Piša dole! Piša! Da! Piša, čovjek! Sine! Tamo. Oj, silovanje, ne. Koje silovanje, brat? Ovo je bilo silovanje na delu.
Jesus.
I ti će ideš za njima, a? Pa, znaš kako, ako umreš, ne bi se čudio iskreno. A ako umreš, ne bi se čudio iskreno. Idemo dole, idemo ko. Oj, joj, ne. A, je.
Damn it.
Skorilo ga ova krv. Aj, vod. Ma ne gledaj bre, ruku idi napred. Ovo nešto žubori dole, neko prdno dole ispod. Ne, to nikad nije dobro. Neko prdno dole. Aj, ja. Pa sad tička jama, vrat. Šta da piše? O. A, ja. Ovo. Nešto što može pesečice. Opa. Čekaj. Šta je ovo? Ben dead. Harold. Hell turned. Arthur turned. Tamara turned. And Craig. Ne vidim šta piše tu. Vidim da je dead, pala dead. Samo mogu da odu ništa. Evo, džubre jedno pomoći. Ne, tako bre. Evo. Alo bre, mala, ustaj bre. Što ti sa
Thank
rukom?
God I found you. It's me. It's Ethan.
Ethan?
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 Are you alright?
No.
You shouldn't be here.
What do you mean? You contacted me.
No, I wouldn't. Did I? Did anyone see you? Did he see you?
Hey, who else is here? What the hell's going on?
Daddy's coming. We need to go.
Daddy is coming.
We need to go now!
Tatica dolazi, pa zar ti ja nisam čale bre? Tatica. Alo, slušaj me. Slušaj me. Ja sam ti tatica.
Where are you taking me?
Someplace safe.
Are you gonna tell me what's going on?
Dobar ti je Elena.
You've been gone 3 years.
3
Mi pa
years.
su oči.
Has it really been 3 years?
Znaš kako, samo ti idi tamo da ti misliš da ide.
What is this place? What they do to you?
What is this place?
You need to get out of here first. I think it's this way.
Vamo zid tamo da si ti pokazao. Mhm.
Mia, we have to talk.
Dobro.
That message you sent me.
Not me. That wasn't me.
But you did.
I didn't.
Okay, fine. Just tell me what's going on.
I'm telling you everything that I know. We have to go this way.
Ti ne znaš ni gdje ideš, iskreno.
Mia, are you sure you know where you're going?
Family used to bring me food through here. I remember.
Ajde bre. Mogli bismo i Outlast ako već ono snimamo ovo. Ej,
There. It's there.
Zera. Da mi otvorim ja vrat.
This is it.
Znam. Malo pogrešno izgleda.
I remember this room. There's another door here. I'm sure of it.
0.
It's not here. It's gone.
Baba.
It's gone.
Dobro, šta ti ko ti džabre?
We're gonna be a family
Samo da vidim što ima.
now that you're here. There's another door here. I'm sure of it.
Mia,
We gotta get
S
out.
njim iskočila i mene, brat.
just stay here.
Hoćeš
right?
da je zadaviš možda?
I'm gonna have a look around.
No, leave me alone.
You son of a bitch, hey! You took my girl! Hey! Shit. Hey, guy! You took my girl! Hey! Znaš kako, postoje prsti, znaš, i klikćeš brojeve, znaš. A ne... Guest map... V... Opa! Bathroom. Whoop 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 whoop. Kako first aid medkit ovo. Ay shit. I'm going to blood shit. Gdje idem bre? Ne, zašto odjednom kiša stupi? Što muzika onda ne znam? Pa nemoj da mi ovo. Kako si lep. Pičko, ja došao zbog tebe, ti mene da baciš. Moj zotac. A, uje. Nije mu nije ništa.
Mia, wait! Wait!
Kujdi. Mija, wait, brate, o kako kolja, brate, a ovo ništa, o. Što te zbava? Nije ništa.
I can hear her. I can feel her clawing her way back inside of me.
Ti si luda, brate.
Get out!
Udri ga, malo jače, malo jače.
Leave me alone!
Udri, tako je, bre. Pobeđiš 100%. 100% pobeđiš. Pobeđiš, ajde. Brate, zato sam se šalio.
What the fuck are you, Mia?
Ne, što sam kliknuo. Što mogu da hoda preko nje? Kao ona umrla? Ovo sam mogu, da? Stavi tamo do podruma. Ne mogu, a šta mogu da radim? Piču. Od svih debila mene si našao dobro. Go, a? Znači. Šta je bre bilo? Aj ti Michael Myers, brate. Udri u glavu, udri. Udri. Ja, pa da, pa. Njemu nije ništa. Udri. Još. O je, dobre. Aha. Čuo sam zvona pre, nisam gluv.
You really shouldn't have come here.
Who's this? What the fuck is going on?
My name's Zoe. There should be a way out through the attic.
Attic.
Go there. Now.
Go there now. Ne. Ustala je. Ustala je, brat. Ne mogu da verujem. Smo već ono našli. Samo op. Ja sam bio. Tu do Atik. Što? Šta? Ajde gore možda. I što da radim u Etiku? Ne. Sada se spomnim. Znaš kako, možda ti treba fuse, znaš. Sad ja ne znam, s ovom sekirom možemo svašta uraditi. Više fuse treba se staviti, ne gore, tamo gore ništa nisam vidio gdje može se staviti. I got you. Brbing bong. Nazad idemo gore.
It's okay.
Otkud si se ti stvorila?
You know you did it.
Držiš nož, držiš nož, krivaš nešto.
You shouldn't have done that! It fucking hurts!
Bir.
Now, let's see how you feel.
Ja ruku može. Smeću ti se.
That jaw must contain outbreak. Gonna quit, I promise. Must burn it all down.
Moja ruka. Moja ruka. Рука. Знал sam. Nema ništa. Idemo napred. Oho. Je.
Okay, fine.
Lep model. Ovdje sam mislio što... Što se kao bre, Švajci sad ćeš da ga dobiješ. Ja ne znam gdje si pobegao.
Contain.
Stani. Stani bre. Baš sam svojim ciljem. Hej bre, lezi. Okej. Se uverim samo.
Welcome to the family, son.
Poczekaj, że I ja. Uvijek moja glava mora da nastrada. O ne.
Don't you die on us now. You have work to do.
Što se događa? Bitch, what? Yeah.
Where am I? What the
Što ti
hell?
bre, vidi ga šizofren.
Sleepyhead. It's time for supper.
Who are all you people? Where's Mia?
Eat it. It's good.
Dumb son bitch wasn't no good if it hit him.
Yes.
Not to worry, Marguerite. His boy's got to eat. He got to have his supper. Come here, boy. Christine.
Ne.
Shit, he's not eating it, Jack. He's not eating it.
Get the hell up, Marguerite.
Makes it for him.
Get the hell out of here.
You're a son of a bitch. Oh, I can't believe it. You son of a bitch. He's not eating it. He's not eating it.
This was supposed to be a very special feast. Come on, boy.
God damn it! I bet it's that cop again.
Goddamn pigs! I'm coming back for you.
Priča quit. Što ti radiš, babo?
I gotta get out of this.
Vidim. Otvorila oči. Niko za... A, računi. Doli. A to ono trojica. Kad nema, jako nemamo... ništa. What?
Didn't you just slip out before dinner was done?
Ne. Au.
Miss me?
Ne.
I'm still here! Don't waste your time!
A, trči. O. A, ne, brzo se korak. Aj ti bre!
Don't be scared.
O, jes, I will.
Alright, have fun in there, boy. I'm gonna come back for you later.
In the house, map, opa. Inventar. Ništa. Herb, ej. Все. Lockpick, hoćem ja lockpick od mene. O. I ovdje bismo završili epizodu. Ovo je bilo to za ovu epizodu. Ako vam se svidio video, obavezno ostavite like, share i subscribe. A mi se vidimo u sljedećem klipu. Do tada, pozdrav!